Hi everyone, I'd like to show you something interesting you can do with, this is children's dough, Play-Doh. You need 6 colours and you can do something interesting that's science-based, biology. So I'll take purple and you want to sort of squish it in the middle so it's slightly bent like that. And let's flatten it out. And let's put that in the middle here. Okay, next let's take the green one and we want to sort of make it long and have it join the purple one there and come down a bit like that. Next let's take the red and we want to make that a long and thin shape, and that goes below the green, and it needs to go beyond the purple. So let's squish that together, something like that. Okay, now let's take the orange and we want to bend that like this, and that's going to go next to the purple. So we have something like that. Now we'll take the black, and that we want to sort of give it a pointed shape at the left, that sort of shape, and it's going to go here. So it joins the orange and the red, something like that. And finally the white, we want to make that a long snake of a shape. And that goes sort of halfway in the red and along there. Got some more white here, and let's sort of squeeze that on, and so it's like that, and make it a bit more rounded. And so, do you have any idea what that represents? It's actually a human brain, a model of a human brain, a very simple model. Human brain has 6 basic parts. And a human brain is about 3 times the size of other mammals of a similar size. Let's start with the green. That's called the frontal lobe. And this is responsible for reasoning, planning, speech and movement, emotions and problem solving. This is the part of the brain in humans that's particularly large, the frontal lobe. Moving back, this is called the parietal lobe, and it's in charge of the senses, touch, pressure, temperature and pain. The orange one is the occipital lobe, and it controls your vision. The black one is the cerebellum. It controls and coordinates movements of the muscles. The long white one is the brain stem. That's in charge of keeping your automatic systems like your breathing going. And this red one is the temporal lobe. It's in charge of your hearing and your memory. So there we are, a simple model of the human brain. Hope you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up. See you later. Yay.